So what's up, Poonam? So excited to have you in the studio.
I'm so excited to see you also. I'm excited to be a part of.
Yes, मैं अपना आपके बारे में वो बताता हूँ क्या मैंने आपको फर्स्ट टाइम कैसे डिस्कवर करा था जीवन में. I was a kid. This is 2011, right?
Yeah, you just call me Buddhi there?
I didn't call you Buddhi, but I remember you came online and became very popular pre-Facebook, pre-Instagram era में जहाँ में लगा एक मॉडल है पूनम पांडे मुंबई बेस्ड जिसने बोला शी विल स्ट्रिप नेकेड इफ द इंडियन टीम विंस द वर्ल्ड कप.
Dude, मैं 17 साल की थी तभी when I did that.
That's so
I
crazy.
was 17 when I did that.
बहुत हंगामा हुआ था और मुझे याद है उस वक्त भारत एक ऐसा देश नहीं था जो आई गेस इतना इमेंसिपेटेड था कि जहाँ पे यू हैड you know the way Playboy bunnies or illustrated models have the same status in America. We didn't have that. Now it's different. What was going through your head at that point? And then who asked you कि यार ऐसे एक prank orchestrate करते हैं शायद इससे you know maybe you'll get famous or what not.
वो प्लान ही फेमस होने का था और मैं हो गई. Okay, I'll explain.
Yeah.
So, उसके पहले I started my modeling and everything like that entire part of my life ना it has मतलब उसने कौन सी स्पीड पकड़ा कि मैं 6 महीने के अंदर I was a star. It was so I started my career 2011. Was a Kingfisher model, then I was a Glad Rags model, doing everything.
Did you ever meet Vijay Mallya?
I've met Siddharth Mallya.
Okay.
He has been to our Kingfisher shoots and stuff.
Sure.
No, not Mr. Vijay.
Not Vijay Mallya.
No.
Yeah. Anyway, go on.
हाँ. तो where was I? My head went somewhere else.
कि भाई 6 महीने
मैं Kingfisher पहुंच गई 2 मिनट के लिए.
ये सारी बातें करेंगे. I'm very curious because you've been relevant through many stunts and many I don't know you just have a pulse of the market, I think, which is admirable. लेकिन take me back to 2011. So you decided कि मुझे famous होना है.
So I've always been a cricket fan. I used to play cricket also. In fact, I still play. And it was like we were watching TV and I was like, fuck, bola pancho, there's this, World Cup is going on. So Poonam, ये कर साला, something like this, and ये शायद मुझे celebrity बना देगा because it was getting मतलब jobs आ रहे सब हो रहे हैं साला celebrity बनते कैसे life में मेरे को कोई बताओ.
Model नहीं बन पा रही थी celebrity.
I was a supermodel then, like proper working on it like every single day. Non-stop getting like really good jobs, walking this ramp, ये वो सब चल रहा था. But fame नहीं आ रहा था. तो I was like, so I did this cricket World Cup controversy. And
किस press के कौन से लोगों को बुलाया उस वक्त? You call the print press? You call?
I remember I had spoken to Bombay Times. And that was the first news that went out in, Times of India.
What did you say? Hi, I'm a model and I want to do this?
Nah, the headline. There's a model who's saying that she's willing to strip if India wins the World Cup. So it went like that. And it just caught fire. उसके बाद तो मैंने बस छोड़ दिया था. उसके बाद तो every newspaper, like तुम जहाँ अपनी नज़र घुमाओ and it was only Poonam Pandey, it was that.
अगर आपको इस पॉडकास्ट की छोटी छोटी झलक देखनी है तो उसका क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब करें.
2 सेकंड के लिए मुझे रियलाइज हुआ फक पैचो पे सच में फेमस हो गई हूँ. मतलब ये अच्छा था.
How did people around you react to this? Because it is one thing in India to be a model and then to be a supermodel, right? And अगर आसपास के लोग कुछ कंजर्वेटिव में बोलेंगे कि यार ये मॉडलिंग का करियर है क्या होता है what not. Things have changed.
Yeah.
But deciding to strip naked at a time when India, isn't exactly a country where we talk about this. We don't have a nude model calendar. We don't have a culture of that. Maybe some of our हमारे पुराने, some of Khajuraho temples and whatnot have that.
Yeah, if I've been to Khajuraho. See, I mean, I can say one thing about myself. I have been very confident with my body, with my skin color, with everything that I have. I'm always very confident, very happy, So I've never really thought वो level पे कि ये क्या सोचेगा, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, I've never really worried about that in my life, and I will never worry about that. They are not paying my bills, so I don't care about it.
Did the Indian team reach out to you that we would actually love to see that?
Mr. Dhoni spoke in one of the I love him. I'm a very big fan of him. And I think someone asked him the question that, what is this model? And he laughed and he said, yeah, game mein thoda spice hona chahiye. And my heart, I was like, my God, like the God spoke about me. It was the biggest thing, yeah.
Yeah. So then the team wins, you know, a miracle of miracle happens.
Yeah.
और फिर आता है कि BCCI ने मना कर दिया है ये सब.
Yeah.
What goes through your head? Because I remember about you not being able to follow up on the promise.
So we did send a letter to the BCCI. Of course.
That I would like to
Yeah,
strip naked
I would like
and
to
pose.
strip naked and pose, yes. And BCCI obviously denied. So. वैसे मैंने मेरे सारे पूरा सब कुछ कर दिया है अभी तो मैं पूनम पांडे 2.0 any which ways तो क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है
What do you mean you're 2.0? What kind of
Well, the kind of content I'm putting out there, there are like nude videos, there are this and that and that. So yeah, the promise has already been delivered, bro.
It's only I think time has happened. Like too many years have passed, and India has sort of gravitated to being okay
Oh
with
my
it.
God. I tell you, like when I started, so I reckon that I was the first one that I started posting, sexy stuff probably 10, 12 years back when I started my career. And tabhi to the kind of backlash out there, like, oh fuck, like how could she show her tits? How could she post this kind of pictures? Bro, आज जाओ तुम Instagram पे तुमको नहीं हर एक तुम scroll
It's soft porn.
हाँ तुमको twerking से लेके पता नहीं तुमको you see every damn thing on Instagram. So it's everyone is doing it.
चलो ये वाला moment हो गया. Okay, now the dip happens. क्योंकि अब तो I know you now, you're relevant now, but 2011 और 2024 के बीच में 13 साल है, right? How do you keep ensuring that you keep getting famous? What do you do in the middle?
बस जिंदा हूँ काम करती रहती
नहीं मतलब what kind of work do you do? कि ये strip naked वाला नहीं हुआ फिर उसके बाद
नहीं यार मैंने बहुत सारी फिल्म्स की हैं मैंने बहुत I've done TV commercials I've done a lot of things so yeah and of course I use जो भी मेरे पास थोड़ा बहुत दिमाग है I use that so it works.